Hi everyone, my name is Boris Milanovic and today I'm gonna show you Python backend and front-end framework using Django. Uh, Today I'm gonna show you how I build my e-store, just a quick demo, so you can get an example or portfolio of mine how I do these things. So without further ado, let's run the server first locally. Okay, so zero issues, everything is seems to be okay. We just gonna copy this and we just gonna go to one of these windows. Okay, and we're gonna open it on port 8000. it's it's something, it happens, it happens. um from some reason it just stops when you have a zillion windows open like I have. I will just delete all these. This is my GitHub and all these. Okay, so okay, so we started the server and we're gonna go to default location. Here we go. So this is the name of the store, Boris Milanovic, so BM, which is my name, commerce store. We have a cart here. So in a cart you can see item title, you can see also the quantity and the price. Price is $30, quantity 1, and I put a little bit like here saving $10. So you can continue shopping or you can proceed to check out. Let's say we want to go to proceed shopping and we're gonna want to go to here. I don't have still anything except my shirt, so we can go back to my cart and let's say that this shirt or TV or whatever we want to proceed to check out. So yeah, proceed to checkout form. This is my address. You can put everything here, country, whatever it is, zip code, billing is the same as shipping. You can check that. Billing address, you don't have to fill that in. Then you again select your country. You will get a nice little flag here. Payment option, you can Stripe or PayPal. Let's say Stripe. Then you put your credit card number in, month, year, CVC, add to your cart, total $20, and notice here that I have all the copyrights. So on GitHub, for example, if you click on GitHub, you will get straight on my channel or my account. I also have other repositories and other projects that I made. In e-commerce, you just have to switch to master and you will have all the latest things that I've done. regarding e-commerce website. So that's about it, what I wanted to show you for quick review. So here can be your future e-store regarding anything. This can be all changed regarding colors out. So the front end completely can be changed, the menu, everything. So if I log out, I will be prompted if I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. Users can sign up always with their username, email. For example, username would be user4, user4, uh, then at gmail.com. Password should have 8 characters. So let's say like this, and sign up, and nice to notifications, configuration sent to user at gmail.com, user4 at gmail.com, successfully signed in as user4. You can close those notifications and immediately you can start buying. So if I click on the shirt, I will get a picture of TV because my server got from the product shirt, he got the TV. I have renamed a couple of pictures, so that's why. So for example, we are buying this television, this TV, and we're gonna add it to the cart. And once we click on the add to cart, immediately in our cart we will see that an item has been added. So if we go back or whatever, you will still have this savings $20 on quantity of 2. If I remove 1, I have a little problem with my mouse, so please disregard that. So you will have item price, quantity, total item price, savings. You can always delete this. So all in all, I'm offering you a service for building e-commerce site or e-store. Thank you for watching. My name is Boris Milanovic, and I hope you will get in touch with me soon. Bye bye.